Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy mastery in Blox Fruits. Mastery is a vital stat that unlocks powerful new abilities for your fruits, swords, and fighting styles, making your character much stronger. Gaining mastery efficiently will significantly speed up your progression, allowing you to dominate challenges and opponents with greater ease. Let's dive into the best strategies to achieve this quickly. The most effective way to gain mastery is by repeatedly defeating bosses. High-level bosses such as Longma or the Cake Queen offer substantial mastery points per defeat. After taking down a boss, simply switch servers to fight it again immediately, maximizing your gains. Alternatively, focus on farming large groups of regular enemies in areas like Chocolate Island, as their sheer numbers can quickly add up to considerable mastery. To truly optimize your mastery grind, consider using the Buddha fruit. Its enlarged hitbox makes it incredibly efficient for hitting many enemies simultaneously. For hands-free farming, an auto-clicker can be set up in safe zones with densely packed non-player characters, allowing for passive mastery gain. Remember to accept quests in your grinding areas, as this provides additional experience and money, making your efforts even more rewarding. Achieving high mastery levels unlocks a wealth of benefits. You'll gain access to powerful new skills and attacks for your fruits, swords, and fighting styles, significantly boosting your combat potential. High mastery is also often a prerequisite for unlocking advanced transformations and acquiring legendary items, such as the God-Human fighting style. Ultimately, it makes you a much more formidable player, ready to conquer any challenge Blox Fruits throws your way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.